She gonna be mad though, but you know, it is what it is. Oh, 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 man. Oh, shit. Put a little bit there. Oh. I'm missing something else. I don't know what it is. Maybe some sauce. The rest of this meat that's in the pot, I'm gonna make me a taco. Another taco. So y'all don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Oh, I'm missing onion. That's what it was. I knew it was something. I don't play about my ingredients. Gotta have onions on deck. So, I'm gonna hide the camera, put it up, so when she walk in, she can see. And y'all do what y'all do best. Y'all talk y'all smack in them comments.
A few moments later.
Oh damn, you took a minute. I really gotta get a case of water. I'm like, nah. Since when you start getting some milk at Sam's Club now? I know they went down on the portion size.
What?
On the milk.
No, they ain't go down.
Yeah, it did.
What?
Remember the milk used to be bigger than that.
No, I only had got it because we
You didn't get the bread?
I thought we had more of that. We don't got no more of that bread.
No, we got more, but
Yeah, I'm about to give me some of these grapes. I got
that's it?